2025 color trends. From Mocha Mousse to purple basil for an elegant, modern home. Choosing the perfect paint color for your home is more than just a design decision. It's about crafting a personalized atmosphere that mirrors your unique style and enhances the overall feel of your living space. In 2025, the house paint color trends aim to capture a seamless blend of elegance and warmth, introducing a palette that invites creativity and modernity to the forefront. Among the standouts in these trends are Mocha Mousse and Purple Basil, two captivating shades that promise to redefine modern interiors. These colors do more than just paint the walls. They weave into the very fabric of your home's decor, harmonizing with bold furnishings, textured accents, and sophisticated lighting to create spaces that are as welcoming as they are stylish. Whether your vision leans towards the cozy appeal of a serene retreat or the striking allure of contemporary design, these trending hues strike the perfect balance of sophistication and comfort, setting the stage for a narrative that is entirely your own. Mocha Mousse, with its soft earthy undertones, imbues any room with a sense of grounded tranquility, making it an ideal choice for areas where relaxation is paramount, such as living rooms or bedrooms. Its subtle elegance can transform a space into a haven of calm, pairing beautifully with natural materials and neutral palettes. In contrast, the rich and enigmatic allure of purple basil infuses depth and character into your home. It serves as a magnificent choice for accent walls or spaces that crave a touch of creativity and drama. By pairing these colors with sleek home accessories, minimalist shelving, warm metallic accents, and sumptuous textiles, you can craft an aura of sophistication that feels both welcoming and meticulously curated. The 2025 color trends are fundamentally about amplifying natural light and highlighting open concept designs, encouraging an intentional design philosophy that makes every corner of your home a thoughtfully arranged masterpiece. Updating your home with these trending paint colors is not only a budget-friendly alternative to a full-scale renovation, but also a dynamic way to breathe new life into familiar spaces. Whether you lean towards soft, understated neutrals or prefer bold, vibrant hues, the choices available offer endless opportunities to customize your home's aesthetic. By integrating these stylish shades with carefully selected decor elements and diverse textures, you're invited to design an inspiring and timeless living environment. Through the lens of these colors, your home becomes more than just a dwelling. It evolves into a living testament to your personal expression and design acumen.